Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is talk about NVL, that is Nuvola Digital. So if you guys haven't seen any previous episodes, I've been talking about NVL for quite a while. So type that in, check out any videos that will help you get into the project. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. So I've met the CEO, I've met different team members, and I think they have a great project. So this is going to be your DEPIN infrastructure play. So DEPIN, I believe that's a term for that. So it's decentralized physical infrastructure, I believe. So basically with Nuvola, what you can do is you can pick up the NVL token, and what that will allow you to do is stake it to their platform, and you can earn rewards. So what they do is they run nodes, and what they can do is share the rewards from those nodes. So they take care of the physical as well as the software side of things. They keep the nodes efficient, and they form partnerships with, for example, cornucopias. And we have a list right here on the website. We've got Iagon, we got Minutes Network, Copy, and they're building other things, but ultimately they are running nodes, and you can basically take part in some of those rewards just by taking their token and staking it. And I'll show you how to do that at the end of the video as well. But what I want to get into is kind of what is the potential for Nuvola, and how did we get to where we are today with NVL? So first things first, we are at a $3 trillion market cap. Okay, so guys, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. It's my opinion that crypto's at a very good spot right now, especially for alts in the low caps. Okay, so we're at a 3 trillion. Bitcoin's never been at 90,000. Okay, we're Sunday, November 17th, 2024. We are just going to do incredible things from here. It's my opinion for the next 6 to 12 months. Very likely. Okay, we have Republicans getting in. You've got the likes of Elon Musk, Charles Hoskinson, all these different players that have been advocating for crypto and that have the knowledge and that can make a massive difference, especially in the US. And globally, ultimately, this is going to be a big deal. So what I'm getting at here is Bitcoin is somewhat consolidating. So we've been at 90K, it feels like, for a couple days. So if we take a look on the week, okay, so 87, yeah, we hit 90 and 91. I think 93 was a top. Yeah, that was a big day. That was, the moose got loose, right? I mean, Nuvola Digital has been getting loose, more loose than the moose recently, but I mean, Bitcoin's been doing well. So here we go. For the past couple days, we've been consolidating, and this is important because Bitcoin's going to trade sideways, stunt its growth a bit, and we've already seen some price action from the mid caps. So we're going to see Solana pump even more. We've already seen that last night. I woke up and I was like, what happened to Solana? We saw Cardano begin to pump up. Okay, and then you'll see BNB pump up, and you're going to see soon what we call alt season. When that happens, okay, liquidity's basically falling from Bitcoin to Solana, Ethereum, Cardano, the layer ones, the alts, down into the sketchy stuff. And as much as I love Nuvola, it is in that category of, you know, a super low cap project. So to find Nuvola, you want to go to CoinGecko, and this thing is a baby. It's a 24 mil market cap, okay? But it has a lot to offer. Other DEPIN plays are worth significantly more. You take a look at something like Iagon or something with decentralized storage. They are massive projects. Look at Filecoin. You're talking about $1 billion market cap. This could do well, assuming Cardano does well. And who knows what's going to happen down the road. I'm not sure if this is going to be chain agnostic for, or if it will, you know, if this will be available on different chains. This project right now has a lot of potential. So if you guys go to the link tree, what you can do is go down to staking. I also have, again, If you guys go to the channel, I show you step by step how to stake. I show you how you can pick up NVL if you want to. It's up to you. I don't care what you do. But I do want you guys to protect your crypto. So pick up a Tangem if you can. But look, staking claiming. This is one of my staking positions. So I do have a little bit of NVL. I do not have a lot. This is with my NAMI. So I got around, let's call it 2,000 tokens. So as you can see here, by staking NVL, I am earning rewards for Iagon, Kopi, World Mobile, and there will be others. This will be updated. Okay. And what's cool about this is that it's somewhat like a REIT. I'm sure they don't like that I say that, but that's how I feel about it. That's the way I look at it, right? Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication in this sense. But basically, you take NVL, stake it to a platform. It's simple. I have a tutorial, and you can earn some rewards. So NVL, what they're doing is they're running nodes. They're doing all the hard work, the legwork, and they can problem solve and run energy efficient and just overall efficient nodes. They can handle all the infrastructure, physical and software side of things, and all those rewards, half of them go to the stakeholders. And if you're not staking, you forfeit your rewards. So those rewards it's worth it to stake. You have to stake the tokens. Sure, the token can appreciate in value. I believe there's just 21 million. So I give them crap because they're trying to be like Satoshi here, which is cool. But yeah, this project, if you want to get exposure to DEPIN, specifically with Cardano, I love this team. I like what they're doing. It is a risk compared to even Cardano, but it has massive upside potential. Look at the year. Look at the month. This thing has had a good month, I believe. Yeah, I mean, you're talking 60, like it's almost doubled. On the year, it's quadrupled. Some people got in early, so I don't know how I missed that. I believe it was an ISPO. But yeah, guys, comment down below. What do you think? Guys, if you do own crypto, you do want to protect your cryptos as well. So use code Moose, head over to Tangem, and pick up a wallet. So you guys can save 10% off. And I have tutorials on this as well. The Tangem ring is awesome. The Tangem ring is fantastic. Guys, go to the channel. It's probably more like one of my popular videos. But guys, type in Tangem. I've got my 3-week review. I compare 5 different wallets in several different videos. I've got my setup videos. I have everything for you guys to help guide you throughout your crypto journey. So with that being said, guys, the moose is loose. Comment down below. Did you pick up any NVL in the past? How are you doing? And yeah, let's start a convo. Cheers, everybody.